Preng, if you ride a motorcycle every day, there are 3 things you're doing right now that you think are helping your bike, but in reality, they're slowing, damaging it. And Preng, what worse, these habits are passed down as expert advice. So Preng, today, I'm not here to sell anything. I'm here to save your engine, your money, and syempre, your time. And if you ride, do not skip this video, Preng. So let's start. Why myths exist? Motorcycle maintenance myths exist for one reason, mga Preng. Old advice survives longer than truth. Most riders don't ruin their bikes because they are careless. They ruin them because they're trying to take care of them in the wrong way. So Preng, today I'll correct 3 of the most common maintenance myths. Number 1 is the warming up every day. Number 2 is the expensive oil is always better. And number 3 is the stock part must be replaced immediately. Preng, this is not an opinion. This is a mechanical reality. So number 1 myths, mga Preng, you must warm up your bike every day. Let me ask you something honestly, Preng. How many times have you heard this? Warm up your engine for 5 to 10 minutes before riding. Sound responsible, right? But here's the truth, Preng. Modern motorcycle engine do not need long warm-ups. In reality, Preng, back then carburetor bikes needed warming up because fuel delivery was inconsistent. But today, Preng, fuel-injected engines adjust automatically. When you idle your bike for too long, fuel doesn't burn efficiently. Carbon builds up. Air circulation is slower than during light riding. Ironically, long idle causes more wear than gentle riding. So, Preng, the correct practice is simple. Start the engine. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. Ride gently for the first few minutes. This is for all the fuel-injected engine. No revving, no raising the throttle, just smooth riding. Preng, warming up doesn't mean waiting. It means controlled movement. Myth number 2, more expensive oil is always better. Preng, the myth cost riders thousands. Literally, many people believe if it's expensive, it must protect my engine better. Preng, that's a marketing, not mechanics. The reality, oil does only 3 main jobs. Lubricate, cool, and clean. If the oil meets your manufacturer's recommended viscosity and certification, then it already does its job. Using oil that's too thick can reduce flow, increase friction, stress your engine during cold start. Preng, more expensive does not mean more suitable. And here's the correct practice. The best oil is the correct viscosity. JSU MA or MA2 certified, and syempre, change on time. Fresh correct oil beats expensive old oil every single time. Preng, your engine doesn't need luxury. It needs consistency. So myth number 3, you must replace stock parts immediately. So this myth destroy more bikes than it upgrades. Preng, stock parts are not cheap. They are engineered for balance. Manufacturer designs stock parts to match the engine tolerances, control heat, and maintain reliability. And when riders immediately replace parts without understanding, fuel-air ratio changes, engine stress increases, warranty issues appear. Kaya mga Preng, not all upgrades are important. And here's the correct practice. Upgrade only when stock parts are worn. You understand the purpose and supporting components are adjusted. Preng, a slow, reliable bike beats a fast broken one. So here's the mindset shift every rider's needs. Good maintenance is not about doing more. It's about doing what's necessary and nothing extra. Over maintenance is just as dangerous as neglect. Kaya mga Preng, respect the machine, follow the science, and ignore the noise. And Preng, if this video corrected even one habit, then it already saved your bike. Share this with riders who thinks they know everything. Subscribe if you want real advice, not internet myths. Ride safe, ride smart. I'll see you on the road.